Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and I want to show you the newest update to the website Meal Planner. We added a search bar to the website Meal Planner so that you can find all the past instances of the recipes that you've planned. You can find it here with the magnifying glass on the planner. Simply tap that, and then you can search your planner. I can search for things that are currently on the date range that I'm looking at. So you'll see that this Korean beef bowl highlights when I search for that. But I can also go in here and say find all, and it's going to give me all of the recipes that I planned that include that same word. So if I'm looking for a specific recipe, but maybe I only know one or two words of the recipe title, I can type those in. Or if you know the exact title of the recipe you're looking for, you can type that in as well and find the past times that you planned that recipe. Now I can go in here and click on an individual recipe, and it's going to give me a list of all the different dates that I planned this recipe on. I can click on the dates on the left-hand side, and it's going to show me the preview of the specific day that I planned that recipe on. So I can see if I planned any specific sides with a recipe, or just see the last time that I planned a recipe so that I know if I'm planning it too much or if it's been forever since I've planned a recipe. Then you can also hit View in Planner, and it's going to jump your meal planner to that date where that recipe was planned. And you can see it's still highlighted over here so I can easily find it. This search feature has been a common feature request from our customers, and we are super excited for you to try it. If you have any questions, please email us at help@planteat.com. And there's going to be a link to the help article about this feature in the description of this video for you to get more information. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.